Here's a tutorial on how we added a wooden slat accent backboard to our Peninsula. First, we bought half-inch plywood from Home Depot and measured and cut it to fit the Peninsula. Most people's homes don't have perfectly level floors, so do take note. When measuring, remember to measure both ends of the Peninsula. This will prevent you from cutting the plywood incorrectly. We also bought many 1.5 by 3/4 maple wood sticks and cut them down to size. As our floor wasn't level, I measured the height of each stick individually and numbered them so I knew where each wood piece should be on the Peninsula. To give the wooden sticks a more finished look, I used a chamfer tool to round the front-facing two edges of the stick. After chamfering, I sanded the wood pieces to make it smooth and then stained it with a clear coat of polyethylene wood finish. To get even spaces when assembling, I took another piece of wood and used it as the measuring ruler. As I wanted full pieces at the two ends and one to cover up the join line in the middle, I made the spaces a little smaller or bigger as I approached those areas to ensure that the wood pieces were exactly where I wanted them. As I didn't want nail holes on every stick of wood, instead of nailing the pieces to the Peninsula from the front, I stuck the wood pieces on the back with wood glue first, waited for it to dry, then flipped the whole assembly over and used a nail gun from the back. After I completed this, I then nailed the whole assembly to the Peninsula. This is more effort than just directly nailing the wood pieces on from the front, but I think it's definitely worth the effort. This is the finished look. If you like it, maybe you can give it a try too.